Now, part three, a continuation of the first floor. So you saw in part two that when I copy and pasted those walls up, okay, they were coming in very awkward and whatever. So the solution to that is that we are going to change the function of that wall. So if I go into select it and go into edit type, here's the function, right? And that function was foundation, and I have exchange it now for in exterior. All right, now I'm going to pick a few more of these walls, and I'm going to change the function of those walls to exterior. Okay, and then okay. Now that means that I can now go from ground level up to first floor level, and I don't need any top offset. That's 0, and I don't need any base offset. Okay, now they've gone from the first floor, right? So ground floor. So I'm going from the ground up, and the explanation of that, again from video number 1, is that foundation walls go from the top down, above ground walls go from the bottom up. That's what that is. So I'm going to do that again now to show you how that works. I'll go back into my basement plan here. And right, let's take these walls now. So I'm going to pick that one. Actually, yeah. That one, that one, that one. So I'm just holding down my control here. And again, I'll just take them all for the moment. And I could do any edits or adjustments on the ground floor plan up there. Yeah, I won't take those up. I'll do something different there as well. And let's come over here and we'll do these ones here as well. Okay, so they're going to go over and be copied. We'll go into our ground floor plan. I'm going to paste these to selected level, and we're going to paste them to the ground finish floor level. Now, so they've all come in like so. Oh, I shouldn't have stopped the selection. So again, see the awkwardness of this here. So if I change the function to exterior, it seems to have changed it automatically. Actually, you can see that it's is a type parameter. So once I change it here, it changes for all the walls. Okay, so it changes for all the walls. Now, instead of having that awkward base constraint and top constraint, what I'm going to do is change all of these in again by selecting. Okay, and this one, and I'm going to change this from ground finish floor level up to first floor, and get rid of those base constraints. We don't need them. Apply, and that one is good to go. And then finally, we'll come over here and we'll do the same. So I know that these are now exterior walls, but they're not to the correct height. So we're going to go from ground finish floor to first, and that'll be a 0 and a 0. Apply. Okay, we go into our 3D now. So we've got our walls up like so. Right, going to leave that there for the moment. That's how we copy and paste those walls from below back up here. And I'm going to come back with part 4. And in part 4, I'm going to see what adjustments I need to do here before I do a very similar exercise of selecting columns and the walls, putting them onto copying them, putting them onto the copy clipboard, and then pasting them into the other levels all the way up here. But I want to make sure I've got everything right here before I do that. Okay, so I'll be back with part 4.